Hello, all of you. Fine. Okay. So we have completed 4 different topic in first chapter. Now in 5th video, we will going to talk about basically how to present the different economic aspects with the help of diagram. Okay, and what precautions we will take during we will draw the diagram, and lastly we will try to understand the importance of economics. This much we have to understand in this part, and today your first part is going to over. It will finish. आज ये खत्म जाएगा. Okay, so first of all, I have mentioned here the presentation of data in economics. It is most important thing because importance of data in economics is you can say too crucial. Okay, if you will understand if you want to understand any economic aspects, then definitely you should know how to play with data. Okay. Basically, the topic data and all numbers is related to statistic, but statistic is the complementary subject of economics. Both are incomplete with each other because the existence of economics, it is based on the statistical data. Okay, whatever economic interpretations are there, that is possible only when appropriate data and its function and its working pattern we will understand. Okay, so let's try to understand first of all. So first thing is that whatever data are there, in 3 ways we can represent the data in economics. First, descriptive manner. Second, by the way of table, and third, by graph. Okay, I am showing here, you just see. आप लोग देखेंगे तो आपको सिस्टमेटिकली यू विल गेट द आइडिया, आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा एग्जैक्टली हम लोग. ओके, सी हियर, सो यू विल गेट इट better. First I said that descriptive manner. Okay, one statement I am writing here. When price has false, demand has rise. Okay, when price has false, demand has rise. मतलब जब भाव कीमत घटती है तो लोगों की डिमांड उस चीज को लेकर बढ़ जाती है. दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेंड इवन यू हैव सीन इन मार्केट ऑल्सो. आपने मार्केट में भी ये चीज देखी होगी बराबर, कि अगर किसी चीज का भाव अगर कम होता है तो लोग उसको ज्यादा खरीदने जाते हैं. प्राइस फॉल्स, डिमांड हैज राइज, एंड वाइस वर्सा. इफ प्राइस हैज राइज देन ऑटोमेटिकली डिमांड हैज डाउन. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द डिस्क्रिप्टिव मैनर. ये मैंने वर्णन किया. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेबल, जस्ट सी, इसको टेबलाइज्ड फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. देखो, जब 2 रुपए भाव थे तो खरीदने वाले 5 लोग, इतने सारे लोग थे, लेकिन भाव बढ़ गए, 2 रुपए से 10 रुपए हो गए तो लोग भी खरीदने वाले 5 से घट के 1 हो गए. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बाय द वे ऑफ डेटा टेबल. दिस इज कॉल्ड टेबलाइज्ड फॉर्म. Now, how to present in the graph? So in graph, you have to draw like this way. One is the x-axis and second is the y-axis. This is the y-axis and this is your x-axis. Okay, now whatever the independent variable, अभी आगे आएगा, I will tell at that time. Whatever independent variable are there, जिसका किसी के साथ किसी के ऊपर जो है आधार नहीं लगता है, तो it is always present in the x-axis. So demand will be present here. और जो डिपेंडेंट है यानी किसी के ऊपर आधार रख रहा है, that we will show in x-axis. Price. Okay, so let's write the price first of first. Okay, and write demand here. Okay, now see, in 2 unit price, okay, demand is 5, यहाँ तक डिमांड है. 4 unit price पे 4 डिमांड है. 6 पर प्राइस पे डिमांड जो है और डाउन हो गई. ओके, 8 जब प्राइस हो गई तो डिमांड कम हो गई और कम हो गई, 2 हो गई. और 10 पे जो है सिर्फ एक ही आदमी. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे this slope is going like this way downward. So this is called the graphically presentation of the economics. Is it clear? Now whatever we have mentioned here, ये मैंने जो आप लोगों को explain किया. So next topic is importance of statistical information. अब statistical information, whatever statistical information are there, इसका महत्व क्या है? Okay, so first is there statistical information supports, means whatever information we get, okay, it support our you can say research. हमने जो ढूंढा है, हमने जो फाइंड किया है, उसको ये सपोर्ट करता है. Okay, so first thing is that. Second, give an idea about changing in the trend of economic parameter. So whatever changes are there in economics, that we can understand it with the help of data. If appropriate data are there, then you can understand it systematic way. Next, to make the comparative study easy. If you have the data, appropriate data you have, then you can do the comparative study with each other. If you have the national income data of India and China or America, then you can compare it, and with the help of that you can understand the per capita income, standard of living of people, okay, and what is the economic situation of the country, okay, that you can do the comparative study. Okay, next, to make precise presentation of fact, means if appropriate data are there, then you can perfectly systematically show that with the help of different kinds of graph. Okay, as you can see here, I have this information, so it was able it become possible for me to draw this graph. Suppose मेरे पास अगर ये information नहीं होती थी, then it was not possible to draw this graph. मैं graph ही draw नहीं कर पाता था. Means if you want to observe, study, research in different field, then appropriate data you should need. Okay, so to make precise presentation of fact. And next, the next one is some requests as aspect in collecting information. Now while you collecting the information, जब आप ऐसे data collect करते हो, at that time what kind of precautions you have to keep, आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. So most important thing is the source of information. यानी आप जहाँ से information collect कर रहे हो, okay, it should be very authentic. Okay, if data are not authentic, then whatever prediction you will do on it, whatever analysis you will do on it, okay, it will not give you the perfect result. So it is very essential whenever you work on any thing on database, at that time your information should be very correct and authentic information should be there. Suppose I give you example, if you want to compare the population of one country to another country, okay, then the data which is declared by the United Nations, okay, that is more reliable. Similarly, if you want to study the comparative study of the population of one state of India to another, suppose Bihar and Gujarat, then definitely our Census Commission of India, okay, its data is authentic. You can say its data is authentic, so you can use that. Next one, second, clarity about the dependent and independent variable. This is most important thing. When you draw any graph or any data, at that time you know very well we use the two axes. One is the y-axis, second is the x-axis. So which one we have to show in which axis? Okay, so which one is dependent and which one is independent? Okay, so whatever the variables are there in x-axis, they are always independent. मतलब वो किसी के ऊपर आधार रखते नहीं है. जैसे कि अगर आप ईयर के साथ में किसी चीज को कंपेयर करो, ईयर एंड पॉपुलेशन, तो ईयर किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करता है, तो इट विल बी शो इन द एक्स एक्सिस. तो हम इसे एक्स एक्सिस में दिखाएंगे. और सपोज विद ईयर इफ देयर इज production or population or anything else, that is depend on that. So that's what we will write in y axis. हम उसे जो है y axis के ऊपर जो है लिखेंगे. Next is your appropriate scale. That is most important whenever we present the data in graphical way. So it is very essential to be able to use the appropriate scale. Suppose I have written like this way, so I will write here. Scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit rupees, whatever. Okay, and scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit demand, like that way. Okay, so like this way we have to present. You can see there. Okay, I have mention here scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit demand, and scale on x-axis 1 centimeter. Appropriate scale must be there. अगर आप appropriate scale का इस्तेमाल नहीं करोगे, so it become difficult to measure it. आप उसको सही तरीके से measure कर पाओगे नहीं, and it become challenging. Okay, and after that, different methods are there to present the economic information in the graphical way. Okay, and in that 3 methods are mentioned here, which I am going to show you. Okay, so let's see. इसको हम लोग देखते हैं. Okay. Now, whatever economic information data are there, that you have to be explained systematically with the help of diagram. Why diagram is essential? Reason is that even it can be observed, understand by a illiterate person. Okay, पढ़ा लिखा इंसान वो तो सब कुछ समझ जाएगा, but it is useful to illiterate person also. Okay, so due to that reason, graph, it is said that कि हजारों शब्दों से कहीं गुना बेहतर कोई एक पिक्चर होती है, कोई एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कि हजारों शब्दों से कहीं गुना बेहतर कोई एक आर्ट होती है, कोई एक कला होती है. ओके, तो आप thousands ऑफ वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करो, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू ड्रॉ वन पिक्चर, इट विल यूजफुल. ओके, वो जो है हजारों शब्दों की जरूरत को पूरा कर देगा. ओके, एंड ड्यू टू दैट रीजन in economics the importance of graph is there. So 3 types of basically you will going to understand graphs. First is the simple bar diagram. Okay, a diagram which can be expressed by the simple bar like this way. suppose the population of 3 decades, okay, then it can be explained like this way. And another thing, you know, x-axis and y-axis, everything you know that very well, so there is no need to tell you everything in detail, because okay, so this is your simple bar diagram. Is it clear? Here you write the year and here you write the number. Is it clear? Second, cluster. Cluster means joined. When more than two or more than information you present in the graph, then that is called a joint or clustered bar graph. Suppose now you are mentioning the male and female populations. Okay, then you have to draw like this way, and by different design, and here you can write male and this one is female, and then your scale and everything will come in this as I shown you before here. Okay, and next is your pie graph which is expressed in the form of circle. जो सर्कुलर फॉर्म में जिसको हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे, दैट इज नॉन एज द पाई डायग्राम. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी वन इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन हियर. ओके, एंड हाउ इट इज इंटरप्रेटेड, दैट आल्सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू जस्ट नाउ. सो सी इट, दिस इज 59.9, this is 13.9 agriculture, and this is 26.2 industry. Okay, with the help of circle, when you draw the graph, then that is called a pie chart, pie bar graph or pie diagram. Now, how to draw this angle? ये angle हम लोग कैसे बनाएंगे? Because whatever information is given, it is in percentage. So how to convert percentage into angle? Okay, angular measure. So let's see it. इसको आप लोगों को एक बार समझना. Suppose 3 information are given. Just see here. 13.9, 59.9 and 26.2. Okay, if you will add all this, you will get 109 and 18 and 220. 0 carry on 2. Okay, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18 and 220. 0 carry on 2, 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is your 100. Okay, now how you will convert into percentage? So see here, it is given 59.9 upon 59.9 upon 100, and what is the measure of entire circle? Into 360. Similarly, 13.9 upon 100 into 360. Similarly, 26.2 upon 100 into 360. Is it clear? Now with the help of calci, if we will multiply 59.9 into 360, okay, and divided by 100, whatever you will get, that will be the measure of this. So it is more than 200 degree. Is it clear? And whatever answer you will get there, if you will add that all three, you will get the entire measure, that is a 360. Do that on your own, so you will get the idea. Okay, again I am telling you, 59.9 multiplied by 360 divided by 100. Like that way if you will do, you will get it. Is it clear? I am not showing you that. You have to do your own. So it becomes better for you. And last, that is the importance of economics. Economics का हमारे जीवन में क्या महत्व है? Okay, the importance of economics in our life. The first most important thing is that it can easily understand the by person the human economic behavior. इंसान की आर्थिक जो गतिविधियां हैं उसका स्टडी, उसका अध्ययन, that we can do with the help of economics. That is the biggest importance of economics in human life. Second, you can do the comparative study. आप comparative study कर सकते हो economics के अंदर. Okay. Next, understanding the historical events. So many historical events with the help of economics you can understand that, and that is the importance. So many economic decision taken by the government with the help of economics, and different kinds of government policies also you can understood with the help of economic data. Okay, and last, it is useful for all the professional bodies. So it is not so that you know the economics, then only economics is understood by you. If you don't know economics, then also useful for you, तो भी वो आपके काम आने ही वाला है. So many different aspects are there related to economics, that all things are directly indirectly affect your life. For example, budget. Okay, we don't know anything about budget, हमको कुछ नहीं मालूम है, गवर्नमेंट बजट वगैरह बनाती है, but how much we know about that, but it affect our life. Inflation, महंगाई, okay, it is affect our life. So many things are there. So like this way I have completed this your first chapter. मैंने आप लोगों का ये पहला chapter complete किया. Okay, now next lecture, okay, I am going to start your second chapter, and it is again very interesting chapter. Its name is the fundamental concept and terminologies. As you understand the terminologies in account, similarly there are the different words related to economics. Economics के अंदर भी ऐसे ही बहुत सारे शब्द हैं जो आपको समझने हैं. Okay, may be possible इससे पहले शायद आप लोगों ने उन शब्दों को कभी सुना ही नहीं होगा. Okay, it may be new for you. Diminishing marginal utility, okay, welfare, ठीक है, ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड होंगे. Value in use, value in exchange. Is it clear? Similarly, monopoly, oligopoly, perfect competition. So many different words are there which you have to understand. Okay, that all things we will try to understand in our next lecture. Okay, so bye. See you all of you and take care. Okay.